Give her a call just to see what's happening. Okay, there you go. Make an effort. Rubbish.
Yep, on location.
Yeah, about 10 minutes now.
Alright. Oh, over there, look.
Not much. Maybe because it's still early. Plus, where did the other fall?
So anybody start work out yet?
Just a few people. Plus, saw some youth out here walk past some stilts.
You see anybody look like the minister?
Me see a man in a red shirt, but I not him.
Make sure you cover all four corners, yeah?
Yeah, man. Cover that already.
Look if you see anybody suspicious.
Not suspicious. Just the regular. Just the tourists, the youth them, and a homeless person on a bench. But man, I think me have to check that person.
No, man. You left nothing to chance. Check the person. We are dealing with a master of disguise.
Me I walk past the person now. Nah, that's definitely a homeless person.
May they give him some information on where the shot could have taken. It's a little oasis looking place on the lawn itself.
I see one place, yes, but that don't look like nowhere where a shot can take from Whisper.
No, man. Alright, heading from the entrance where the statue is. It's on your left. The enclosed one.
Oh, I see it. Right beside the truck when you come through the entrance.
Yes, right beside the track.
Yeah, it look like one little oasis for true. I know, me just realized that the first me I come over here, sir. Alright, what am I do now?
Alright, without looking suspicious, look around to see if you see anything looking like a marker.
I don't really see nothing where it look like a marker. What on there? What is this? This look like a gadget. I take it up and look on it.
No, don't touch it. Describe it.
It have a small glass on one end, a big glass on the next end, and kind of camouflage.
It's a telescope. That means him did there. He must scout the area. He plan to do it by himself.
And him leave this here, sir?
Obviously, a drop from him. If him realize him lose it, he might come back right this come look for it. So just leave.
Alright, I leave the park here now. Reach back for my black, me give a shot.
Alright.
Registered to who? Okay. That's why she have so much power. All three of them? All right. Where they home? Okay, just be careful. As a matter of fact, call one of our Uber driver and make them carry you. Alright. You never see smoke without fire.
Me
I
have
have
something
something
to
to
tell.
tell you. Me first. You remember the other day, me said to you, say, me see one vehicle come pick up my Sanders, and it looked very familiar to me.
Boss, you know, just don't have a she now, no, man.
Just listen now. Because when you hear who come pick her up, you're not going to want to stop. You're going to want to start. The same vehicle come pick her up today. I call Tonian and I tell her, I say, run the license plate. It turned out to be a very good friend.
Who that?
Marcus Wallace.
Who? Hold on there. Brighter same come here?
He's been coming here for her. 3 different vehicles.
The Jaguar and the X6 are female too?
Oh, yes. Now, I fear wonder if she was planted here. Remember, we meet she after Miss Prendergast.
I tell you say something not right about that woman here, I know. See it there?
I'ma always tell you, trust your gut. Now we have to do some more digging. Because we need to know if this is just a relationship or it's business.
Marcus Wallace and she. I never see that one there forward. But I'm more bet on business.
But business for who? She or him?
Well, she could have used him to get some leverage in life. And him could have used she to get information.
This much me know. Since the agency shut down, I know them are following. Who to tell? She might just be placed here to find out if we still do agency work.